The author of Hope, A Journey of Resilience and Optimism. In the realm where dreams and verses blend, there's a unique storyteller, a guardian of penned hope. Meet the author of Hope. This soul, refined through struggles and victories, weaves tales not just to entertain but to uplift, shining brightly in the darkest corners. With each stroke of the quill, optimism flows, creating symphonies in words that resonate deeply within us, echoing long after the last page is turned. Like an artist with a palette of courage, they paint on life's vast canvas, offering solace and understanding where it's needed most. Their verses traverse through valleys of shadows, embarking on a poetic odyssey that seeks to mend the fragmented pieces of broken hearts. Each line promises a sunrise, a new beginning written with an unyielding belief in the power of change and the strength of the human spirit. The author of Hope invites us on a journey where every word is a step towards light, proving that in the union of dreams and verses, anything is possible.